Hi, Kusina from TVPSS SXI. In today's video, I'll be talking about the National Lasallian Youth Convention 2025 that was held in the LaSalle Center at Ipoh. It was held from 19 January until 24 January of 2025. There was a total of 68 participants, and each Lasallian school had a 3 student representatives and 1 teacher advisor. If you want to know more information about this, please watch the next clip. Hi guys, and welcome back to TVPSS SXI. Did you guys enjoy the video? This convention gave all 68 participants to share their Lasallian journey and to serve the lost, the last, and the least. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. I'm Kusina from TVPSS SXI. See you next time. Bye!